Hey, how's you doing? I was just joking. And I'm new. So this is my daddy. Daddy, hey, say hello. I'm ipopost ko sa YouTube. Ipopost ko sa YouTube. And this is my brother. And yeah, Chester. 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 And here is Chester's Pikachu. Here. Okay, do you see it? Eh. So, this is not still my channel, but I will make videos in PCs. So be don't be sad. I will make videos. I'm new, please. So subscribe to this video. I will not. And next video, I will show you my bomb. Okay? And don't wear my headphones. I'm gonna be honest with you. I live in Philippines. And this is my brother. Chester, say hello.
Hello.
And we live in Philippines. I am at my house. So I made a couple of videos. Please subscribe to Judy Baggy, but I'm gonna create a YouTube channel that's called Magma Cream Guy, and that I'm still not making that because my Lola is not still giving me my computer. So here's my Lola is watching TV, but not the Lola, my mommies. You don't know. See. And my sister loves to watch YouTube, so I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. So, and I know. You see those bags there? See this bag? Guys, see the bags? These are command bags. It's like a mind developer. If math, you don't use your hands, it's like mental. And if don't know, I'm getting my paper. Nasa taas po yata. O Jester, nasa kusina. Jester, nasa kusina. See, he saw me speak Tagalog, a Filipino. So I know how to speak English, and my brother knows how. And I'll prove you. Our president is Duterte. And slippers. I know you guys, but I will prove to you. I'll speak in this. This is, I'm telling, alam ko yan. It means I know that. So, yeah, I prove to you. See? I'm a Filipino. I'm not using a guide. See? No guide. And please subscribe and like the video.